Hello guys, I'm gonna teach you how to hack in Ninja Saga. In 2013 there was a hack, but something happened to code and we couldn't hack anymore, but we're back. We got the code now and we're ready to go. So let's begin by going to our hunting house. We're just gonna attack one and see what happens first, then we'll hack it. So let's begin. So here's my first attack, and you guys will see what my attack will be. Just like that. It was 460. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use the code. The code will be in the description below, so don't worry about that. Just choose the processor. Then go ahead and just like that, you should get two results. Then just go ahead and value, change the 3 to 0, click OK, and I'm just gonna use this one for this time. So let's see. And there we go, it worked.
All done, guys. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to comment and then subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.